Please settle first. Yeah, look at the board, ma. Don't talk. Bye. Hello, bye. Amitabh Bachchan. Don't talk. Look at the board. Okay. Don't talk in the class when class starts. Otherwise, I will just throw you out. Okay. Simple. I will just throw you out if you talk. Still I am seeing noise. Hey, Mahesh Babu. Don't talk, ma. Look at the class. How can I teach the class if you talk? I am able to hear voice. The people are doing some mistake. Is first mistake is you need to remember, ma. Eval keyword is used for what? Eval keyword used for what? Numbers. Eval used for keyword what? Numbers. Some people are doing the first mistake is like this. They are doing this n equal to suppose eval of input of. Here they are entering Python like this, ma. Here they are entering the Python. Python is what? It is a string. But eval is what? It is a number. So you will get error. You will get what? Error. If I see, I will just throw you out. I'm saying seriously. It is not a joke. Eval is what? It is a number, but people are doing this error, ma. This is one error you people are doing mistake. Okay. And the second mistake. When you are doing else also, you are providing condition here. When you are writing also else also, you are providing condition. Else doesn't require any condition. Remember that. This is the bullet points you need to remember. Else does not require any condition. First one is if, next elif, next else. If is condition is required, if is condition is required, and elif is condition is required, and else is not no condition. No condition. Here it is no condition. So if, elif, else. This is I have seen the second mistake. Okay, first mistake is what? Even though you provided eval, but you are providing the string. String is for only input. Eval is for only number. And next one is third one. And people are not giving the colon also, ma. People are forgetting to give the colon. After if a equal to 10 and people are not giving colon, directly they are running like this. They are not giving the colon. These are the syntax errors. Now you are in the position to avoid the syntax error. That is I am expecting from you. Don't write and you no need to provide any logics also. I am fine. I will train you to how to create the logics. But at least you need to avoid the syntax errors, right? I already told you. If a equal to 10, colon you need to provide. I told you or not? But some people are not giving. That is syntax error. So now, then after you enter, what will come? Indentation will come. But some people are writing here. Like this they are writing. Print hello. And they are saying that what is the error, sir? What is the error is coming? What is the indentation meaning? Gap, right? So this is also syntax error you are doing. See how silly mistakes you are doing, that is. So this is happened due to lack of practice. Happened due to lack of practice. So you need to go to the labs and you need to practice it. If you have any doubts, you need to ask the mentors. Still some starting days, this is required, ma, because you people are doing like this. This is very bad. You are missing the colons also. And in else also you are providing condition. And one more mistake you are giving. You are providing if a equal to 10 you are providing, ma. A equal to 10 you are providing. This is not condition, right? Single equal to means what? Assigning. Double equal to means what? Condition. Now you see here. The bad thing is you are not able to understand the error also. That's why I'm worrying about that. Now what it is saying, say, maybe you mean this, but you are giving this. That's clearly mentioning or not error. That also you are not reading. Some people are not reading this error also. It's clearly mentioning here. It is double equal to, what is Manwa? Double equal to, like that. So these are the silly mistakes you are doing. So don't do that silly mistakes. So that's why I provided here in the group. I provided in the group. So this is happening because of the lack of practice. Only the thing is lack of practice. Only the thing is lack of practice now. Please avoid that lack of practice. Say name error. While taking the string input, you are giving eval. But eval used for only numbers. Indentation mistakes also you are doing. And this also mistake. One mistake also I am seeing. People are providing sum equal to 10. Max equal to 25. What is sum? Which color is sum? Green color. Green color means what? Keyword. You are using keyword as a variable. You are using keyword as a, don't use keyword as a variable. That is wrong. Variable should be in which color? Black color. String is in which color? Red color. Keyword in which color? That's it. We already discussed this or not? In the first class only. But still some people are giving this. Sum equal to 10. I don't want to see next time these kind of mistakes. You need to provide sum 1 or sum m. It should be definitely which color? Black color. Okay, keyword should not be used as a variables. So these are the mistakes you people are constantly doing. Now this time onwards you will avoid the mistakes, right? Say loudly. Yes? Very good. Let's do the new topic called functions. Functions. So generally function is used to reuse any part of code, any part of code. Reuse the code. Reuse the code. Yesterday answer is very big, ma. Let's do this, okay? At the end, I want to give some more time for that. Reuse any part of code. So when I explain the codes, listen very carefully and follow the same architecture, then you will get easily. If you deviated, then you will not get. Very simple. 100% your mind should be present in the classroom only when I explain this. Okay. Now let's do this. How the function will be there. Let's take the basic code. Number 1 is equal to 10. Number 2 is equal to 20. And print of, suppose add equal to n1 plus n2. Add equal to n1 plus n2. Print of the addition of number 1 and number 2 is add. Correct? Is add. So whatever you write in red color, that will be print. How many fill in the blanks are there? How many fill in the blanks are there? 3. How many are there? So how many answers you need to provide? 3 answers. So dot format of n1 comma n2 comma add. So the addition of 10 and 20 is 30. This is very basic code. Everyone knows this. Everyone knows this. Now we want to create a function on top of this. We want to create a function. I want to create a function on top of this. Yeah. Look at the screen, ma. Then you will write later. Look at the screen. The function keyword start with a def. Function keyword start with a def. Def means definition. Definition. Next, you need to provide the function name. Function name, any name. You can give my name, your name, any name. And then you need to provide the brackets. Function means bracket necessary. Function means brackets necessary. Then colon. Whenever colon will come, what will come? Say loudly. Indentation will come. Enter it, gap will come. Now write your code here. Write your code here. Simple. Write your code here. Now, again, I'm repeating. First, what is the keyword? Def. Next, what you need to write? Function name you need to write. Function name. Then what you need to write? Brackets. Always remember function name bracket is necessary. Brackets are necessary. Brackets. Then colon. Whenever colon will come, what will come? Indentation. If colon, indentation is there, try colon. Indentation is there, like that. Definition, function name, bracket, colon, and write your code here. Write your code here. This is the first step. Now, second step. Look at the screen. Definition. My function name is called addition. What my function name is called? Addition. So definition is there. Addition is there. What is the next? What is the next? Brackets. What is the next? Colon. Enter. Now just copy these 3-4 lines. Paste here. Copy and paste here. When you pasted, what will happen? The indentation will be mismatch. Indentation, what happened? Mismatch. Because after colon, this N1 is good, but immediately N2 is what happened? Out of the box. Out of the box. Then go to cursor here. Just enter tab. Again cursor here, enter tab. Again cursor here, enter tab. Now everything is inside. Understood here? All the 4 lines we are just copying and we are pasting inside addition. That's all. We are pasting inside addition. Nothing we are doing. While we are pasting, what we are careful? Indentation should be maintained. After N exactly, N is under N is there. Under N, what is there exactly? A. After A exactly, what is there? P. Now check that same thing is there or not. Under N, N is there. Under N, A is there. Under A, P is there. That also you need to maintain. This is called indentation maintain. So again, I'm repeating now. So what I'm writing? Def addition is my program. Bracket colon enter. We already ran this code. That's why I'm copying. Otherwise, you can write here also. N1 is equal to 20. N2 is equal to 30. Add equal to N1 plus N2. Everything indentation is coming or not? Indentation is coming or not? Now, if you want, if you copy in future like this, come to cursor here, paste it. Definitely, indentation will be mismatch. Select all, enter tab. That's it. Then function is ready. Simple. Function is ready. Functions concept is very simple. Whatever till now you have done, that we will implement on the wrapper. Implement on the wrapper. Who is the wrapper here? Function addition is the wrapper. Now, if I want to run this code, I ran here. See, I ran here, but output is coming or not? Output is not coming. Now, note here. The output will not display unless you call the function. You call the function. What is meant by call the function? Look at here. What may call the function? What is your function name? Write addition here. Addition ko bulao. That's it. Addition, come here. But addition will not come like that. Addition brackets will come like that. Brackets are necessary. Then when you call this function, immediately it will go to the here and it will execute the inside lines. Execute the inside lines. Now you see here. The addition of 10 and 20 is 30. Understood? So again I am repeating. Look at careful. Look at careful, ma. So we need to write the function first. Definition, addition, bracket, colon, enter. Your code should write here. What is my first line I am writing? Print of hello I am writing. Print of hello. Next I am writing print of I am writing function. I am writing what? Function. That's it. I want to print these two lines. I want to print these two lines. I just ran, but output will not come. When output will come? If we call the function only. What is mean by calling the function means? Addition, bracket necessary. Then call it. Then hello, I am writing function is coming. Whatever you write inside, that will come. Whatever you write inside, that will come. So note down this. Tell me, ma. Now, whatever you write, suppose you write input here, n1 equal to eval of input of enter number. Then, what is coming? Enter number 30. Then what is the next line? Hello, I am writing function. Whatever you write inside the function, that will run. But when you write the function, you need to take care of what? Definition, function name, bracket, colon, indentation. 5 you need to take care of. Definition, function name, bracket, colon, indentation. You can change, identify, right? Just like you want to give addition 1 also. That is just a name. You can give your name also. Def mega is fine. But what is your function now? This is the problem mega. Now you tell me. Again, I'm the same question. Now mega is asking, how did Python execute second, not first one? A equal to 100, A equal to 200. What is the latest A value? Say loudly. Tell me mega, what is A equal to 100? Tell me what is A equal to? Why A now it is 100, like in your thought? Tell me why A is not equal to 100? Why A not equal to 100? Tell me. Why A is not equal to 100? I'm waiting for your response. Because Python will take care of the no print ma. No print. If I print also A, what is the latest value A? 200 only. Are you getting my point? Now A is equal to 1000. What is the A value? Tell me what is the A value? Mega will say. Tell me why not 200? Why not 200? Nikita said correct. Okay, you are not doing practice well, Mega. Python will take latest value only. Latest value only. This is the basic one. Everyone knows this? Python will take the latest one only. Here we already provided the addition, but again one more addition we taken here. Again one more addition we taken. What is the latest one? Above 1 or below 1? Below 1 is the latest one. That's why this only running. That's why this only running. Understood, Mega? Yeah, correct, Rahul. Python is a step-by-step process. That's why it will take the latest one only. So if you want to avoid different names, you can provide addition 1 here. You can provide addition 2 here, whatever the name you can provide, that is. Yeah, just note down this. So I'm writing this, and this is just hello. And here, hello. 50. No, step by step means after you, who will come, that is the step by step. Okay, we done many things, right, Mega? Step by step process. I'm shocking now you are saying. We done many things actually, like the step by step process. Many questions we have done. So many beautiful questions we have done. We written some story also, right? I think. We written some stories also. Somewhere we written, that is. Trend exception. Or somewhere we written some stories also. Yeah, note down this. So creating function is easy. Everyone is good. We can do the same cell also. Cells is not important. You need to identify one thing. Okay. You need to identify one thing. In this particular cell, this is one cell, right? In this particular cell, you can write 500 lines of code. You can write 500 lines of code in particular one cell also. Okay. And like that's also each line one cell also you can write. This is line number 1 also you can do. Line number 2 also it can do. Line number 3 also it can do. Both are same. If you want to write 500 lines in the same cell is same. If you line execute step by step also is same. Both are same. There is no thing. Now you see here. Now you see here. N1 is equal to how much? 100. N2 is equal to how much? 200. Now print of N1 plus N2. I'm running first line. I'm running second line. I'm running third line. What is the answer? Can I run these 3 lines in both cell? Single cell? We can write that, right? In the same way, you can do like this also. Definition, hello world, colon, print of hello, good morning. Okay. What is the function name here? Hello world. You can run in the same name also here. Hello world bracket. Like that also you can write. The same cell also you can run. Hello world will come. Only the thing is first this function will run and next it will call the function, right? Until unless call, the output will not print. The output will not print. Yeah, note down this in the single cell. Not any keyword, any word. Yes, correct. Any word. Correct, Bhairavi. Any variable we can use. Anything, any word we can use. No restrictions. Only the restrictions is def, function name, bracket, colon. Function name, bracket, colon. No keywords again. Keywords is alag story. That is. Yeah, let's do one program now. So whatever we implemented in the past, that all the codes we need to implement it using the function now. Okay. Challenge accepted. Let's do first question. Take 3 numbers find the average. Find the average. So this is we already done. First write normal code. First write normal code and then implement the function. Then implement the function. Write a program. Write a program. Ask the user enter 3 numbers. Number 1 equal to eval of input of. Number 2 eval of input of. Number 3 eval of input of. And then average. What is the average code? Average equal to n1 plus n2 plus n3 divided by 3. This you write in normal code first, then implement the function. First write the normal code. Code also I have written. If so many people are not paid the fee, how come your name is in the Google Classroom? That means your name is not in the Google Classroom. Can raise your hands. How many names are not in the Google Classroom? 1, 2, raise. Only 2 members. 3. Still it is not there. So how can you access you paid the fee? Go and ask Rajesh sir today. Those who are paid fee, Google Classroom access is necessary. What happened, Harsha and Hemant? Is coming or not? Error. In package error. Taking so much time to run. Okay. The package is working. Package is installed. Not installed. HP plot only, right? You're using dash. If you want to use dashboard again, you need to hit the URL in the web browser, right? No, don't hit the URL in the web browser. That is not our task. You should get the code in the Colab notebook only. Okay. That's it. Very good. I will explain this. Let's run the normal code first. Number 1 equal to eval of input of enter number 1. Correct? Like that we need to write how many times? 3 times. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 2. This is number 3. Then average is there. N1, sorry, number 1 plus number 2. Number 2 plus number 3 divided by 3. Now print of the average of number 1 comma number 2 and number 3 is average dot format of number 1 comma number 2 comma number 3 comma average. So 20, 30, 40, answer is this. Everyone able to do? You are able to do that? There. Here, who are new still? You both. You are going to do, right? Yeah. Very good. So next, what we need to do? Implement the function. Now tell me the story. Definition, average, okay, bracket, colon, enter. Then copy paste the code. Simple. Copy paste the code and paste here. Indentation should match, right? Number 1, number 2, number 2 is out of box. Number 2 is out of box. So this will come to here. Then run it. Then call the function. When you call the function, what is the first value? Step 1. Number 1 is the first step. 20, 30, 40. That is the answer. How many are done? Raise your hands. Very good. Great. See, Python is very easy. Python is very easy, ma. But if I give 3333, his number 3333 variable is there. So what should I get? Error, right? Should I get error? Now see. Shall I get error? I'm running again. Am I getting error? I'm getting error. You will not get error until unless you call the function. Remember that. Even though your function is wrong, entire wrong. But when you know that your function is wrong, when you call only. Suppose I hire one guy. I don't know, he's a dummy guy. He doesn't know anything. When I will know that he's a dummy guy? When I give some task only, right? Then only I know. That means if I call this average, then what is the first step? Enter the number. Code is good. 100. What is the second step? No error. So code is good. What is the third step? Number 3. Good. Now when is the error now? Fourth step is the error. Fourth step is the error. Then error will come. What is the error? num3333 not defined. So what is the important point here? You doesn't know whether the function is correctly defined or wrong defined until unless you call the function. Okay. Where is a capable guy or not capable guy? I don't know. When I will know? When I given a task to him, then only I can know. Understood? So like that. So the note is we are not sure the function is defined correct or wrong until unless we call the function. Until unless we call the function. Until unless we call the function. So function call, then only you can know where the correct one or wrong one. Where the correct one or wrong one. Now you want to implement try and exception. You want to implement a try and exception. Look at the board now. Look at the board. Suppose if I ask you normal code, this is the normal code. How you are implementing try and exception in the normal code? You are providing try here, correct? Colon. Then you are selecting everything and entering tab because you want to maintain an indentation. And then what you are writing? Except exception as E and print of E, correct? That you are writing now. 20, 30, 40, you are doing good. Now on top of this, you are implementing the function yes or no? On top of this, you are implementing try and exception. Same story. Take the function name now. Take the function name def average 1 bracket colon enter. Now copy the same code and put here. That's all. But while copying the same code, what you need to take care of? Is indentation is correct inside try? No. The indentation is not good. Just enter like this. Except also indentation required. So this is the correct. Same code. Same code we are again putting inside the function. Try it. Try the try and exception. Any doubts, please ask me, ma. Same code. Here is one indentation. Here is one more indentation. How many times colons are there? That many indentations will come. That many indentation will come. How many colons are there? That many indentations will come. Now same run average one. Enter number 20, 30, 40. That is the answer. Now give 3333 here. 3333 here. Now run this. 20, 30, 40. Now num 333 is not defined. So try and exception. First, step by step, ma. First we learn how to write the normal code. Second we learn how to implement the try and exception. Third we learn how to apply the function. Step by step. Step by step you need to do. Coming? If you are not able to do, please come to here. I will help you. Okay, if you are getting any error or not understanding, come to here. I will show you. The next question. Write a program of the user, enter bill amount, and ask the user enter tip amount, calculate total bill. This we already done this code. Calculate total bill. I will tell you, Masabita. Okay, there's so many things are there to discuss in function. First, I need to familiar you people to familiar with how to write the functions, right? I will tell you very detailed way. Okay, don't worry about that. Functions is a big concept. Let's everyone unfamiliar with functions first. First, write normal code. First, write normal code. Then implement the function. Then implement the function. Then implement the function. First, write normal code. Then implement the function. So my main aim is you need to get familiar with functions perfectly. ఏమైంది అసలే
ప్యాకేజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
అవ్వట్లే.
నేను జస్ట్ యూజ్ చేసిన ఓన్లీ ఈ డాష్ బోర్డ్ సెలెక్ట్ లిస్ట్ ఇస్తే మనం డైరెక్ట్ గా
నన్ను క్లిక్ చేయి ఇప్పుడు. ఆహా.
ఇట్లా
ఏంటది
సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
అది పంపించావా కోడ్?
సెండ్ చేసి
కానీ ఇది వర్క్ అవ్వట్లే కదా
ఇదో
ఇది ఇందులో
దీంట్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ కొడితే రావట్లేదు.
రావట్లేదు, వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. వర్క్ అయిందే చేయాలి అందులో.
అంటే దాంట్లోనే వెబ్సైట్ లో రన్ చేస్తే ఇట్లా వస్తుంది.
సరే నేను చూస్తా, ఆ కోడ్ నాకు పంపించేసి, ఆ కోడ్ నాకు పంపించేసి నేను చూస్తా. అది
వేరే చేంజ్ దీంట్లో మనం దాంట్లో యూజ్ చేసిన డేటా ఫ్రేమ్ యూజ్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు క్లిక్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది కదా ఇట్లా.
ఇట్లా వస్తుంది.
ఇక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మారుతుంది కదా. సరిపోద్ది అది. ఇదేంటి డాష్ బోర్డా? ప్లాట్లీలోనే ఉంది కదా, ప్లాట్లీలోనే ఉందా పైకి రా. ప్లాట్లీ ఓకే వర్క్ అవుతుంది, డాష్ వర్క్ అవ్వట్లే. ఈ లేఅవుట్, ఈ లేఅవుట్ అనేది ఒలింపిక్ మోడల్ ఫోన్ బై అది అంటే హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ పేజ్
స్టార్టింగ్ పైన వచ్చేదానికి తర్వాత గ్రాఫ్ యూజ్ చేశారు. తర్వాత చెక్ లిస్ట్ అనేది మనకి పర్టికులర్ గా
అవునవును
కావాలంటే
దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తుంటే వస్తుంది. అవును
సర్వర్ రన్ చేస్తే ఎర్రర్ పడదు.
ఓకే వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు అనమాట అయితే.
జూమ్ ఇన్ అన్ని వర్క్ అవుతుంది. దీంట్లోనే ఎంఎల్ యాప్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం. స్ట్రీమ్లైట్ లో చేస్తాం. అది ఇట్లా వస్తుంది.
ఇది ఇంటరాక్టివ్ డాష్ బోర్డ్ పైకి ఇప్పుడు మన హీట్ మ్యాప్ లాగా అదే కోడ్ ని దీంట్లో తయారు చేయొచ్చా? నువ్వు సౌత్ కొరియా మెడల్స్ అవి రాసావు కదా, సేమ్ అదే దీంట్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి. ఇది హర్ష్ చేసినట్టుగా. అది హర్ష్ని అవుట్పుట్ పెట్టు. ఇది ఇలా ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మార్చుకుంటే ఇక్కడ డేటా కూడా మారిపోద్ది.
అంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్నారు సార్, ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆ డేటా రావాలా సౌత్ కొరియా అండ్ ఆల్ అన్నట్టు?
సేమ్ ఇదే అప్రోచ్. ఇప్పుడు తను అక్కడ క్లిక్ చేస్తే మారిపోతుంది కదా. సో ఈ కోడ్ తోని దాన్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి.
ఆ డేటా తీసుకోవాలి.
ఆ డేటా తీసుకోవాలి.
అవుతుంది సార్, 1-2 minutes 5 seconds వెయిట్ చేసి.
కానీ నాకు ఇట్లా డైరెక్ట్ వేరే పేజ్లో రావద్దు, నోట్బుక్ లోనే రావాలి సపరేట్ గా. చాలా కాంప్లికేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అది అందులో రన్ అయితే ఇందులో రన్ కావాలి కదా ఫస్ట్. ఇందులో రన్ అవ్వట్లే కదా. అది కొలాబ్ అని కాదు, అది కంపెనీ ల్యాప్టాప్ కాబట్టి రన్ అవ్వట్లేదు, క్లయింట్ ల్యాప్టాప్ కాబట్టి. అలా ఉండదు, వాడికి అదే చూపెట్టాలి. అలా ఉంటుంది. కరెక్ట్. Yeah, done everyone. Very good. So I'm just taking this last one who is implemented, Mega is implemented. Let's take this. Yeah. Yes. Next question. Write a program. Ask the user get a random number between 1 to 100. Print it is a even number or odd number. The even number or odd number. implement using function. Implement using function. Now if and else conditions we are moving. Okay, how if and else condition is implement using function. Same story. Story is same. Now do it first. Write a program as the user get a random number between 1 to 100. Print it is a even number or odd number. Same story. Write normal code and put copy paste into the under the function. Under the function. If you're not able to get, please ask me. Same story. So now you are getting to understand, familiar with Python, right? So you are getting some confident. So because you already practiced the basic questions, now you are implementing using the functions so that you are getting some confident. First import random, number equal to random dot randint of 1 comma 100. Then if number modulus operator 2 equal to 0, then it is a even number, else it is a odd number. That is the basic code. That is the basic code, correct? Import package, then number equal to the package. What is the package here? Random package dot method name of 1 comma 100. Then if condition colon enter, print it is a even number. What is the number? Right here is an even number dot format of that number, else print same thing. It is an odd number. Code I have written ma. This is the normal code. It is a normal code. It is a normal code. Done. First write the normal code and then implement under the function. Yes, yes, yes. Correct. Done. Great. Easy, right? It is easy. Import random. What is the package name here? Random. Here is random. What is the method name? Rand int. What is the condition? Number %L2 equal to 0. 96 is a even number. 54 is a even number. Now the same thing we need to copy in which one? One function. So def even odd function name bracket colon enter copy here. When you copy it, make sure that indentation should maintain. And give even and odd one. So these packages always should be at the top, ma. Remember that. Packages always should be at the top. So I'm just removing from here. I'm writing here. Import random. Packages always at the top. Even odd function bracket. Bracket is necessary. If you miss the bracket, what is coming? See here. What is coming, ma? It's saying function. It's saying what? Function. Then your mind will strike. Okay, brackets are necessary. Put the brackets. Okay, if you remove the brackets, error will not come, but output also will not come. And it clearly saying that it is what? It is a function. It is a function. Now run it. 2 is a even number. 2 is a even number. So you can write print statement. We are implementing even odd function. And next print statement. Take one number. And here one more print statement. The remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Here one more print statement. The remainder is not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. Whatever you write, that will print or not. Now see here. So we are implementing 0. We are implementing even and odd function. First statement. Second statement, take one number. Third statement, automatically number will store in which variable? Number. Now the remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. Then it is called a even number. Even number. We are good, right? How many are done? Very good. Last. Doing everyone? Very good. Great, ma. Easy. If I want to implement try and exception on top of this. Try and exception. Try is inside function try colon, then select all, enter tab. That's all. Correct? try colon, enter tab. Again, except should be exactly under T. Under T exactly. Where is T is there? Under E should be there. Except exception as E, then print E. That's all. This is called try and exception. Even at 2 providing, here also 2. And then you write this. That's all. Try and exception. So this is by practice, you should practice this because people are confusing when colons are coming, they are forget to give the indentations. And they feel like that we are getting error. It's very simple. How many indentations are there? 2. One indentation, this much is gap. Next indentation, this is a gap. Simple. We can write that is without try and exception also. Correct. We already choose here. Now we are choosing with try and exception. Now let's do another one. Okay, I'm writing here print of hello, print of Python. And I'm writing here print of I'm writing here, okay, print of calling function and print of done. Tell me how it will be execute now. When I run this entire lines, what is the first statement? Hello, Pakka. What is the second statement? What is the third statement? What is the third function? Say loudly, what is the third one? Only one person is saying. What is the third one? Calling function. Calling function. What is the fourth one? When even and out to where it will go? Again it will go to middle. It will go to back. Because my function is initialized back. So I will go to here. Again inside here, what is the next statement? Fourth statement. We are implementing. Fifth statement is take one number. Sixth statement is number 1. Based on the condition, it will print. And finally, what will print? Done. Understood? Step by step. Run it. Everyone try it. Add 2 print statements here. Add 2 print statements here and check it. What is your understanding? What is your understanding? If this is the answer or not. Understood the step-by-step process now, everyone? Python is a step-by-step process now. Always remember that. Python is a step-by-step process. The same, you need to first think about the answers. Then when you execute, the same answers are coming or not. Check that. Very good. Let's do one more exercise. Come here. So definition of addition bracket n1 is equal to 20, n2 is equal to 30, then print of addition colon n1 plus n2. Okay, this is one function. Right, this is one function. This is one function. Here multiplication. Here multiplication. Two. It is subtraction. It is subtraction. n1 minus n2. Print of multiplication function starts. Print of multiplication done. Print of subtraction function starts. Print of subtraction done. Print of anything remains. Print of no. Print of, then call the function. Subtraction, multiplication, addition. Yeah, explore this. So what is the first statement? What is the second statement? First, you need to analyze, then execute. First, think about that. Use your mind and think first, then execute it. Use your mind and execute it. So what is the first statement in this output? What is the first statement? Say loudly. Multiplication function starts. What is the second statement? Subtraction start. What is the third one? What is the third one? Anything remains? No. Then call function. Which function you are calling? Subtraction. Then what is the next function? Subtraction value. Then subtraction is done. Understood now? Still any doubts in this? Yeah, run it now. Understand this much, step by step process. Get your idea. Are you thinking correct way or not? Are you thinking correct way or not? Get the idea. Confirm yourself. You need to write whatever you want to write, and again you need to analyze yourself without executing the code. Then execute the code. Then tally your answer. Tally your answer. So your good thinking means the correct answer will come. You no need to write whatever I am written in the board. You can write your wish also. Whatever you can write, right? But only the thing is how your operation is performing. Yeah, that's all. Time dot sleep. Yes, Nikita. Yeah. Next. Great. No doubts, right? So shall I move next topic? So let's come to here. First we created, this is a program. We created, this is a program, right? First program is this. First program is this. And we call addition. And second program, we have done average or bill. This is the second program. Let's understand this is the second program. This is the second program. Now, if you understood these things, where is the addition bracket or bill bracket? There is nothing mentioned inside the bracket. See, the bracket, anything is mentioned inside the bracket? Whatever till now you have done, nothing is mentioned inside the bracket. Agree with me? So, this something is there inside the brackets is called, suppose, whatever, suppose you are writing, suppose 20, 30 like this. That means if you are mentioned, if you are not mentioning any values inside the function bracket, the method is called without arguments. What is the method? Without arguments. Without arguments or without parameters or without parameters. Without arguments or without parameters. The inside bracket, if you provide anything, is called nothing but what? Arguments. What we call is called arguments. Arguments or parameters. Without means what? Nothing mentioned, right? That is only English meaning. Without arguments concept. Till now we completed is without arguments concept. Without arguments concept. Without arguments. Till now what we completed is without arguments. So put side heading at the top. Put side heading at the top. It is a without argument concept. Without argument concept. Without arguments concept. So it's all the codes. Till now we have done 5-6 codes. That is called without arguments. Next, put side heading with arguments. With arguments. Before one is called without arguments. Now it is called with arguments. Now look at the screen and give your 100% effort here in the screen. First of all, tell me, my first question is inside bracket, how many variables are there? How many variables are there? Tell me. See here, how many variables are there? Say loudly. None. Sabita, why none, ma? Inside the bracket. Inside the not sorry, inside the bracket. Sorry. Inside the function. My bad. You are good, Sabita. Inside function. Inside function, how many variables are there? 3. How many variables are there? N1 is one variable. N2 is one variable. Add is one variable. But what are the useful variable in this? N1 and N2. From N1 and N2 only you are making which variable? Add. Generally, how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. But in that only 2 variables are important. Okay, how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. 3 variables are there. Now next question, how many user provided variables? How many user provided variables? Next question. How many? 2. How many you are providing? 3 or 2? 2, N1, N2. Add is creating from whom? N1, N2 से add create हो जाएगा ना. N1, N2 से add is coming, but you are providing with your hands what? N1 and N2. How many you are providing? 2 variables. That is the second question. So 2 variables. So now your concentration is always how many user is provided variables. That is only your concentration. If you provide only, then only code will create one more new variable, right? So we will not worry about that. We will worry about only what you will provide. Clear? Now come here now. Now the same code, I will write like this. I am removing N1, N2 from here. Now tell me this function is using how many variables now? 2 variables, N1, N2. N1, N2 say new variable is coming, add. So N1, N2 is your important variables. So now you provide inside the bracket N1 comma N2 like this. So instead of providing inside function, now you provide inside bracket. Before what happened? Inside function you provided. Now inside bracket you are providing. Inside bracket. Inside bracket is nothing but these are called what? Arguments. What is called? How many arguments are there now? 2 arguments. How many arguments are there? 2 arguments. Now you are calling the function. How many arguments you given? 2 arguments. So here you need to provide 2 values. How many values you need to provide? 2 values. Now 20 and 30 provide directly. 20 and 30 provide directly. Now what is N1 will be? N1 value 20. Now what is N2 value? 30. Don't give N1 and 2 again. Don't give N1 and 2 again. Here you need to provide the values. While calling the function, what you need to provide? Values. While calling the function, you need to provide the values. So instead of providing inside the function, we will use as a arguments. How many arguments we given? 2 arguments. So how many values we need to provide? 2 values. Then automatically the answer will run. Automatically the answer will run. That is the difference between without arguments and with arguments. So let's discuss again. So first, listen very carefully. First, N1 is there, 20, N2 is there, 30. Any arguments are there here inside? No. That's why while you are calling also, no values. No arguments, no values. Simple. No arguments, no values. Now, instead of giving N1 and N2 directly values here, you will take N1 here, you will take N2 here, and you will remove from this. Now, how many arguments you are providing? 2 arguments. So, 2 values you need to provide, 100 comma 200. 100 comma 200. Now, N1 is how much? 100. N2 is how much? 200. Then answer will come directly. Easy? Note down this. Can you please confirm the chat? Good, my everyone, with arguments? Yeah. With arguments. This is called with arguments. Can be any type of values. Now, what is you are doing? What is your operation? What is your operation? Sheikh. Here you want to addition, no? In the addition, suppose you want to do multiplication. You want to do multiplication. Then what happen? It will works. But if you give here hello, what happen? Hello will multiply with 200 times. Okay, whatever your operation, that only you need to provide. You can provide any values, but what is your task? What is your task? That is the important. What is your task? Yeah, note down this. We will see one more thing. 100. This is called arguments. It's called arguments. Come to here now. Next question. Suppose I am given only 200 here. Now what will happen? What will happen? Say loudly, what will happen? Something is fishy. That I understood. Correct? You understood something is wrong. What is that wrong? How many arguments you provided? How many arguments you given? So Python will work like that? No. Python will search for one more argument, right? Python will search for one more argument. Just run this. Now what is that? Error is coming. The error also very beautifully written. See here. Addition bracket missing one required positional argument n2. Normal English. Everyone can understand this. Here you provided two arguments, but you are passing only one argument. So I confuse now. Which argument I need to take? If you want to know that, print n1 here. Print n1. So what is the value here? This value could be n1 or n2. Is 200 is n1 or n2? 200 is n1 or n2? Python is a step-by-step process. What is the first step? n1. That's why it is n1. Now print of n1 you do. Print of n1. Print of n1. Now run it. So it is not coming n2. It's taking n2 only, right? Taking n2. Yeah. So this is a one error. We are good. So this is the one. Please, yeah, note down this error. Just run same like this and just understand the error. Just run the same like this. Understand the error. Understand the error. Just run the same thing. Now one more error we will see. We'll see one more error. We'll see one more error. Python, you should enjoy the Python. Okay, like 1 I'm giving. This is n11 I'm giving. This n22 I'm giving. Okay, and n11 I'm giving. N22 I'm giving. I'm removing this. I'm calling addition 11. What is error will come? What is error will come? Say loudly. What is error will come? You are going to calling addition 1. What is the immediate step it will check? It will look about whom first? N111 on. Then it is there N111 on? No. So what is the error? Name error will come. What is the error will come? Name error will come. See, N11 is not defined. It is not saying about N222. Why? Because Python is a step by step. First, I am looking for only N111. I am stopped there and I am checking for that. Very good. Now, suppose I am giving 200, 300. What is the error? What is the error? Say loudly. What is the error? You are calling this function. That is 100% pakka. When you are calling, you are going to here. When you are going to here, what you are looking? Say, what is the error? It is a name error or arguments error? Arguments error, name error. Let's run this. See, additional 1 takes 0 positional arguments, but how many are given? 2 you are given. You provided empty here because when I call this, you are going to immediately here. Immediately here. Additional 1 takes 0 positional arguments, but how many are given? 2 you are given. See how beautifully they are mentioned. So there is a one type of error. Note down this error. Understanding errors is important if you want to become a good developer. Okay. Now, Now definition average function is there, right? Implement this is using with arguments. Implement this code with arguments. Implement below code using with arguments. With arguments. Implement below code using with arguments. Implement code using with arguments. How many user variables are there? 3. So how many arguments are required? 3. Simple, step by step. Simple step by step. Very good, very good. So just removing these 3. Just giving here number 1 comma, number 2 comma, number 3, and simply call average of how many values are providing? 3 values, 20 comma, 30 comma, 40. Now if you want to know which is the number is, you can print that. Print of number 1 comma number 1. Print of number 2 comma number 2, and print of number 3 comma number 3. Now number 2 actually which is the value ma? 20. Order. This is 30 and this is 40. That's it. This is the answer. Number 1 20, number 2 30, 40, and this is the answer. Okay. Yeah. So we learned today with arguments and without arguments. So today I will give the assignment. Okay. So whatever we done till now, everything you need to implement with arguments and without arguments. Every code. How you will implement, that is your wish. Understand the code. First write without arguments. Normal code, copy paste into the function. Then understand with arguments. What are the user arguments? Take that, put into the function call and give the values. Understood? Easy. That is. Just try it. So yesterday some people are asking some question. One question is, take 5-digit number and get the addition of that. Last one and first one, right? Something like that. They're reverse 5 4 3 2 1. They're asking this question. It's very simple, ma. You need to take this is a number equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and number modulus you do first, because we did not completed any string operations. We did not completed any list operations. So whatever we learned till now, you need to use only this method only, not other methods. Even though you know Python, don't use that method. Okay. So what is the thing you need to do? Number modulus 10. What is coming? 5 is coming. So save into one variable. V1. and again V11 is equal to number floor division 10. That is called V11. What is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4. Till now one operation is done. 1, 2, 3, 4 say what you retrieved ma? 5 you retrieved, and what you retrieved? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again do the same operations. Again do the same operations. Next V2 equal to now this time V11. V11 percentage 10. Then what V2 will come? 4 will come. What V2 will come? 4. Again V22 equal to V11 floor division 10. What will come? 1, 2, 3 will come. Done. So from this operation, what you retrieved? 5. From this operation, what you retrieved? 4. If you do like this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 will come like that. That's it. That is the solution. That is the solution. Understood? So implement this kind of techniques. Yeah. Great, ma. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session. Only the thing is, go to labs and practice it. Those who are not able to do properly. Okay. Use the mentors wisely. They will help you. So try to clarify your doubts.
Error when we give that a equals to 10 and we supposed to give e double equal to 10 in this condition. There is one symbol as well, colon equal. So what does that mean?
Colon equal.
Yeah.
Like this. Okay, you are saying if a equal to 10, that is.
Yeah. If this error will come.
Print high. You are providing simple like this. The same what we are understanding that only, but they are displaying like that. Nothing much. What is your understanding? It is a syntax invalid. You need to provide a equal to. Or you need to provide colon here equal to, you need to provide colon equal to instead of this. Either you can provide these two. So like I equal to I plus 1 is there, right? The same thing we can write like this. I plus equal to 1. Plus equal to 1.
Double equal and
The both are same. Yeah. WhatsApp code again. Where is the WhatsApp code, ma? Abhishek, WhatsApp code again, please. Abhishek. Yeah, you can write one more volunteer. Go here and write your name here. Who is volunteer? That is. Take that name. Come. Arey, aaja re bhai. That is only WhatsApp group. Nothing much. Okay. They will not utilize your number. Write the number there. Well, last one is what happened?
Not this one.
Which one? Here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 say first 5 nikalna. What is the solution here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na? The answer is what? You need to reverse the number. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 से first क्या निकलना? 5. 5 कैसे निकलना? This is the method. If you do this, what is the answer will come? V1. 5 will come. If you do this in your laptop, if you enter V1, the answer 5 will come. And next, what is the logic next? 5 gone. Next, you need to retrieve 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 कैसे आता? If you do this, 1, 2, 3, 4 आता. If you do this, 1, 2, 3, 4 आता. This logic you need to implement bar till 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that.
कैसे लिखेंगे वो?
Like this only.
बार-बार मॉडल्स यूज करना पड़ेगा. Same question problems. बार-बार मॉडल्स यूज करना पड़ेगा.
Bar modulus and this one. This is the first one. फर्स्ट स्टेप, दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेप. वो सेकंड स्टेप में V11 क्या है? नॉट 1 2 3 4 5.
सर जब अपन मॉडुलस यूज किया
हम्म.
सर मॉडुलस यूज करेंगे उसको 10 से वो डिवाइड मतलब तो इसका रिमाइंडर
हाँ, रिमाइंडर आता.
कितना आएगा?
हाँ, फर्स्ट 1 2 3 4 5 में 10 मॉड्यूलस में रिमाइंडर कितना आता? 5 आता.
5 हाँ लास्ट हाँ
नेक्स्ट यू नीड टू रिमाइंडर गेट 4. रिवर्स नंबर मीन्स व्हाट? पहले 5 आता, नेक्स्ट 4 विल आता ना.
सर इसको स्ट्रिंग के मेथड से कन्वर्ट स्ट्रिंग करके
That way I did not teach, right, till now.
सर एक्चुअली आई अपडेटेड बाय दैट मेथड
It's okay, but I didn't teach that. That is the easy method. Okay, your wish.
ऑन द 5 क्वेश्चंस लास्ट 5 क्वेश्चंस
Do it. But mention that one more thing. I uploaded again. Mention that. Which I want to refer that you mention that. First 1 2 3 4 5 से 5 निकलना. 1 2 3 4 5 से 4 कैसे निकलना? वो नया था. That's why we are converting 1 2 3 4 5 to 1 2 3 4 first. And 1 2 3 4 से we are doing 4 बार आएगा. हाँ, कंटिन्यू इसको अच्छा डायरेक्ट.
ఇక్కడ 100 మెన్షన్ చేస్తే 4 వస్తుంది
ఇక్కడ నువ్వు అనేది 1 2 3 modulus you are saying 4 5. So we can do anything like that. This is the procedure. Okay. Yeah. अरे what happened रे? You are not returning any number. क्या हुआ? You don't want WhatsApp group? then लिख दो और नंबर नो. क्या हुआ? मार्कर किधर ने? I will type the number. अरे क्या हुआ रे भाई तू? You are young people. You are doing like this. Tell one number. 7 2 6 0 9 2 7 0 9 0. Note down this number and say hi to this guy, and he will add each and every number. Okay. Arre. You people should be proactive. Let's note down that number first. You don't want WhatsApp group? Then. Arre. Tell me. Tell me. 1 2 3 4 5 say what is your output? What is your output? Tell me first. What is the goal here?
सर इसको 5
Reverse 5 4 3 2 1. 5 कैसे आता? First question. 5 कैसे आता? Tell me.
इसका मॉडुलस
5 कैसे आता? मॉड्यूलस से आता. 1 2 3 4 5 से मॉड्यूलस करना तो 5 आता. This you have to save into one variable.
सर अपन v1
Again, what is the next answer you need to come? 4. 4 कैसे आता? Do 1 2 3 4 modulus only 4 आता, not 5.
सर बार-बार सिर्फ मॉडुलस
हाँ,
यूज करना पड़ेगा ना
हाँ.
स्लैश
That's why, no? When I teach string, you do that method, okay?
मतलब डबल स्लैश यूज करने का फिर जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा ना.
How can you get from 1 2 3 4 so 1 2 3 4? 1 2 3 4 5 say how can you get 4? Tell me.
सर नहीं जैसे अपन 1 2 3 4 लाए ना
कैसे आया 1 2 3 4? 1 2 3 4 कैसे आया?
मॉडुलस
हाँ, understood now?
डबल स्लैश
हाँ, डबल स्लैश है 1 2 3 4 आया. हाँ, 1 2 3 4 से again 4 आता. हाँ, again 1 2 3 4 से 1 2 3 आता.
मतलब अलग-अलग
हाँ, अलग अलग वेरिएबल से सेव करना था. हाँ,
मतलब
एंड करो.
लाइन वाइज
हाँ, end equal to print of 5, print of 4, what do you need to do? Comma, end equal to like this 5 4. फर्स्ट नंबर निकालना, फिर प्रिंट अप्लाई करना.
सर लास्ट में जो इसको क्या कहते हैं फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट को जो ऐड करने का है
सेम नो, सेम थिंग.
बस या फिर जो भी कन्वर्ट करेंगे वो
एग्जैक्टली. 1 2 3 4 5 से क्वेश्चन योरसेल्फ, हाउ कैन यू 4 निकालना? टेल मी.
5 आ जाएगा.
हाँ टेल मी 1 2 3 4 5 से 4 कैसे निकलना? यू नो 1 2 3 4 5 से मॉड्यूलस करने तो 5 कैसे आता? टेल मी.
रिमाइंडर में 5
5 आता. Then your mind will think like that. If you provide instead of 1 2 3 4 5, if you provide 1 2 3 4, then I will get what? 4. So now what is the question? From this value to this value कैसे आता? That is the question. कैसे आता? 1 2 3 4 5 floor division है तो आता.
अब इसको अगेन बार बार तो फ्लो
हाँ.
पड़ेगा. मॉडल्स एक बार उसका फ्लो डिवीजन.
No, मॉड्यूलस करना था, फ्लोर डिवीजन करना था.
इससे बाद 3 लाने था हमको.
अरे I have done already. I have showed 2 things here. See.
हाँ.
See here. पहले 5 आया, बाद में 1 2 3 5 आया,
हाँ.
फिर 1 2 3 4 4 आया, फिर 1 2 3 4 से 1 2 3 आया. हाँ.
ऐड करना है तो अगर 5 को ऐड करना है तो B1 में 5 आया था और B2 में 4 आया तो ऐड इक्वल टू B1 प्लस B2 S4.
करेक्ट. ठीक है, चलो. Not online students ma. I told you right. This is the link. Abhishek, sorry, shared already. This is for online link. This is online link. No, what I have written, the number is not for you. Okay, 1 minute ma. Thank you so much guys. See you tomorrow.